Welcome back to Distribute Productions. This is Chin Lin and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode we're gonna generate iconic dragon from Monsters Hunter's World. And yes, you guessed it, it's Rathalos. For those who doesn't know Rathalos is a flying reddish dragon that breathes fire that has a very aggressive personality. And as a hunter, you get to hunt it. You get to wear its reddish armor once you kill it. And today we're gonna redesign this character using two of my design rules, and that is design in visual and style. So in terms of visual, we're gonna design something elegant, and its final look is supposed to look like clean and elegant, something like a statue. I'm still not sure, so we have to get throughout the process. And in terms of style, we're gonna go for realistic style, and the design goal is gonna be even better than the original one, so that's why we're gonna redesign it. And today's main tool, we're gonna use ZBrush, and you get to see the process of how I make this dragon, and also related to all my work. And this is kind of like a design process. So before we start, like and subscribe, and let's just jump right in. Welcome back, and there you have it. This is the final render of my Rathalos, and I named this piece Angelic Rathalos. So it's also called the Dragon of the Golden Flame. And yes, so let's talk about the visual. In terms of visual, I went for a little bit marble slash clay-ish, and my inspiration came from like the statue that you can find in the mythology temple, the Greek mythology temple. And in terms of style, of course, it's realistic style. And I also add a little bit gold element. And if you follow some of my previous work that you can find in my art station, I like to add my design using gold element because that makes things look more clean and also elegant at the same time. And that is also one of my artistic style. So let's talk about the redesign. The redesign of this Angelic Rathalos. This redesign, I want to make this dragon more alpha than before. So more bossy and bulkier, add more spike. And as you can see my design, I went for a little more eagle-ish style. So this dragon looked more a little bit like a bird, and eagle was my inspiration. And eagle that you can find in most of the symbol, it means honor and also freedom. But then in nature is a top predator, so I like to combine this element and add into my dragon, and that's, as you can see, as my final render. So that's it, so if you like to see more video like this, comment down below or let me know what you like to see. And yes, I can't wait to see the movie, and the movie is supposed to come out this week, and I'll find sometime later this month and go watch it in theaters. So that's it, and before we go, thank you, like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Chen Lin signing out.